So President Adam Barrow diamuta. President Adam Barrow is actually alive. Among fa hani femmamuta. Among funti ayafo molie ali sali kaira warante ali ala bridjol ñini ali fa among wofu ala fo among funti ay wofu molie salwato like a president to show that he love and care for people that care for him. But na pareta kamol diamonde abe diamula ala diamo fele na ngala diamo la moy fos janning mbena jompa bri la laftami fay la nga fay President Adam Barrow 4 years la moy dorom no escape to this now.
Council of Elders, West Coast, Gambia, Dembo Santa Mboja. E la momel bena la jam. Nembo da West Coast, nembo da Banco de la Doto, mba be konton. Na advice sol bi jam. Be konton na chairman bi jam na chairman bambandi bal bi jam. Albe lori albe bambandi. Albe do ko la. Banko ya ni president mo. President ko do ko la drone ni. Ani me nyana do ko. Na ministre klingo le ma be jam. Bari la ra ni na ko. Ama babe na boso. Anu la ra ni na ko West Coast ben na boso ko non. Andi la ra ni na ko Gambian ko ben na boso ko non. La ta wala. Mbende ni na ko. Sanyi saboko nyanta constitutional review nyanta kilal. Nyanta constitution change. Sanyi saboko. Odu mo ngana ta no election. Akita le ba. Après le ba. Consultation de Kerry sign. Draft ni nyanta bolale. Ayna cabinet. Draft ayta National Assembly. Ayna funti ayna ta referendum. Nyimbe nyanta kelal. Banku dolto ye transitional government also do. Ye appoint. Imante appoint. Ikata le fay. Bala ken ke president. So ni wala call differential. Wala ken dinte option lo. Na decision okay, mfamwe. Ngabula. Bari no na mandate ni is 5 years. And men na mandate ni mbati mandate. Muna ke min gombe men na mandate ni timandila. Do ko lebe mi ala ko nyante kelal. Ando do ko mbeti mandila. So be kafula na legacy lema. Ka fa president Barrow da rena na jang. Ay constitution na rija constitution kendo na rija. Me ala ko maybe sanjit keme nyaado o constitution be kontina ka Gambia tanan. Lafto way tan nak. Andu lafta fanan nga reform process na rija nga strong institution na rija banko kanja. Lafta wala etranna na legacy nyin ko. Nga ke first president moti. Me ala ko ay security sector reform ki jang. Comprehensive one. Responsive to democratic principles. Nga wala ni nyimba ko kanga. Left away from the legacy. I am the first president in this country. Mome ya lonko ay security sector ni ka audit, ka kontibo, ka long member force. Ndiri nga kija. Man sekunda kata mani process la kata mani lual. Bari ndi banko tala lumme. Less than 1 month dépense wala be ni Gambia banko. Nata la lumme. Banko la juo debt to GDP 120%. Na GDP samu be mume o julo men benna adana fo 120% asiara nga men so sanko na julo mo wala treasury bills banko ta fa bankrupt la may ka julo ta commercial banks ñol leto treasury bills adana fo 23% because of banko sula ta ko do nga jini so don nga jini traja commercial banks bu ka don ka mol don at 28-30% because of ya lon ka fa ko ye central bank so dole wala safeta et si la kodo da asamba central bank ye interest jama so doje ika fo to mo ika do ko ke nyamen na banking ika fo le amtia banking ike la kodo da ya do ni central bank ida si amtia kono ila interest banko la ke interest bari sign na ram fele no be yelman nga narrative ni nga change be nga interest ni nga jindle for 9% sign commercial bank so by force nga jindle ika 15% ika wodi la public ni by force go yalo ne ka fogo interest man trama sekondal karo bigo mansule la kodal bigo liquidity kodo nga soro na keso ko mbe nala lumme na foreign reserve foreign exchange foreign currency reserve membe mbulu 35 million wo fana mo julol ti membe bankol na tale ngaw bondi je fo ngaw julol be jo bi na foreign reserve over 200 and something million wala bi je mena ko na lotti membe bankol mi nala wato men account on membe masakunda bulu
nte video ni continue la ali bato ni nga continue rek bena fala I'm not joking ali bato mba continue after so no problem ala I know it, President Barrow. I know it. President Barrow. I know that. All you wanting kono. Imanlapitanol dada nyaming. It's not because you don't have money. President Barrow. Allah. No problem, Allah. Get into the Allah. President Barrow, as I'm talking to you, more nani fata Gambia, Jumpa break RV because of no doctor, no medicine. Not long ago, President Barrow. President Barrow, more killing me fata je. Kambandingo yabi do ko la bank mol jama ya lo ne Gambia man la fi bank tolon fola man la fi amari to fola. Kambandingo mi ya futuoke is not long ago I muso soto. I told me ya yon long and ya lonne. Father RVH because of a jump very lack of doctor to attend him. President Adama Barrow. President Adama Barrow inatale ya fo ila molye ko kodo be bulu. Imang Gambia dadadrong. Hey, Allah. So President Adama Barrow, all this time of supporting you was a waste of energy. President Adama Barrow, ika sajio min di molye. Mola life minuka fa every day because ibuka mol help. It's more important than sajio. President Adama Barrow, ila mol minuka sajio ta. Including inte yesajio dinano. Yesajio dina lasia. Man na Facebook kadong kasindrong. Komi modol ka kenyame. Bari Adama Barrow liste. Mote possible because of a job habri sajio. Mol minuke support. Ite wol jeno la ye wol contact yesajio di wol ye. Pour wol ye continue ke support in a hypocritical job habri won yendu atodung mafono. Pour Sajio, wala job habri money, you know, in a job habri envelope after Sajio. Look, President Barrow, Sajio waratale. Sajio serta. 20,000 Sajio. Adiata. Sunkaron hamanaka jump habri to baskinata. Yes, 20,000 Sajio bundia di mule amarita sana. Adiata. Bari mol minuka fa. Because of a lack of medicine and lack of doctors. It's more important in a new. It's more important than a job for Sajio. Momo yemi Sajio deal be a content I 20,000 or safe instead of a Sajio sam. Yes, Sajio ni man boto ni tulu bidongo deal and in sama ala badingo be sasa la betala hospital be fala komi ni molka fanyame. Wara amari fango be fala hospital because of lack of doctor. So it doesn't make sense that because of job for Sajio, because of job for man boto and stuff, multi continue ke worship cannot turn your way. President Adama Barrow, this is insane. President Adama Barrow, so you have the gut to come and tell the world that new country new million souls sort of in the budget. But yen continue can you country and hospital neglect me yaloko is the number one priority for yin tiny jump hybrid country. President Adama Barrow. So President Adama Barrow, you have the gut to do this to people, to come and tell the people that you have money to fix the hospital, but you are not going to fix it. Because you don't need it. You can travel to a job hybrid anywhere you want and get job hybrid medicine. Well, guess what? Allah is watching. President Adama Barrow kabiri ala lafite dingo fala num aya fale medicine or not. President Adama Barrow ala bejang. President Adama Barrow ala killing o miye wo ile wo dingo tanu. Ika molla badingol fa every day because iman lafi doctor so keleje aning jump habri good health system. Jump habri ni kambano min fata. Ni jump habri doctor min yana makole num pour kanafa. Atata jump habri private hospital do ko. President Adama Barrow, how the hell you can never be responsible, you and your job habri ministers, you know that talking like a hopeless chicken. How they cannot job habri, you know, and have a good health care. President Adama Barrow, you come back in the bank, you come back dindingo, betima, well-mannered, good, beautiful kambano you mean father, simply because of a tiny single thing that can save his life. The doctor was in there. Nyin kambano, I had attacks for whatever the what is. At a hospital, Fenkole Babu, you call asthma for something. I can't remember. I don't want to call the person again to ask again. I'm so angry. Kabira at a hospital, nyin job habri Dr. Minya Naturology, at Tata private hospital. Ila Dr. Sol, ila job habri 102 Dr. Sol, ika min soto. Yala ika 102 Dr. Lesoto, 102 professional doctor, ika wale soto in the whole hospital. One particular 102 Dr. Sol, it all kata private Dr. Sol, private hospital, yeah. Wol ke call near imagine soto, ikata do kuala wolia, kalapita no bula molie fa, ni molnata. President Adama Barrow, you understand this? Or you don't give a F, President Adama Barrow. President Adama Barrow, you know what's going on in your jump very tiny country, and you don't give a damn. Or what is it with you now, President Adama Barrow? President Adama Barrow, what is it with you? Now get to help President Adama Barrow and find a break. And how dare you sitting there telling people that there's this money, and then you're saying that if anybody wants, you know, they can come and try to compete with me. If they win me, then I know they win me. President Adama Barrow, anybody can win you. President Adama Barrow, ninte nga mbe jenu sign kafa kon lafta kela president oti mbe win la. I swear to Allah, President Adama Barrow. Because you not doing fuck all, President Adama Barrow. Ni silol ito kamin dada jumale be moto burundi la je. Yamba wafilal. Yamba wafilal be moto burundi la je moliye sorong 2 days moto. Because ila kambanol, ila dindingol, ila sunkundingol, schoolol table. President Adama Barrow, do you even give a F that you don't have any teacher that can speak correct English? President Adama Barrow. Need the teachers all there 10. 2 of them can speak English. The rest are like me being a teacher. President Adama Barrow, do you even know what's going on in your country? President Adama Barrow, need to tanje. Teachers all there, I swear to God, I can teach them school. I can teach them job habri English. They can't even spell job habri correct English word. They can't put 1 or 2 sentences that are correct normal English. Job habri tanje school, the whole of tanje one particular school je. Teacher sol man taraje teacher betemal. Natra teacher tanne woto fula drone English understand because na area wol lemo ntol la family dini ngol min ko taji lemo na area wol lemo dini ngol min ko taji ni tata gambe every time holiday ka wodi ngol be sindi ka try ka wol English test ka try ka wol teach basic grammar ka kela grammar test ibuka fokol spell no. President Adama Barrow ila school ye neglect ila health care ye neglect ila police soul fanang and ila army soul. Everything is jumping her breath, and you're talking about development. President Adama Barrow, why are you talking about roads all the time? Because you have the jump habri car to drive here. I got it. Because you have the cars to drive on the road. So you care about your cars only. Guess what? People don't have car. I don't have car. All the people in the country don't have car. They need job habri education and job habri hospital, President Adama Barrow. Hani netra imang hopeless job have barrage, you know, work opportunity nothing in country. What money at in a mulka fa all the time. Nyen kaman killing no minta at first. Nga for le mon nani le fata not long ago. Killing do just before nyi tobaski, dole after tobaski le ifata. Nyi mon nani won ba be explain na ifata nyami. President Adama Barrow. President Adama Barrow. A lonko Allah is real. A lonko ibe fala. A long. President Adama Barrow, a lonko ika mulla hel ke neglect nyami mulka fa every day. A lonko itesifano next. Healthcare or not, a lonko Allah is real. Joke aside. President Adama Barrow, nyen kambano kabira tata. RVH, wo doctor minya natalaje that day is gone leave the hospital alone with just little nurses. No doctor. He went and served a private hospital that called him. President Araboro, how the hell you stayed in your country that you don't know what's going on or you don't give a damn? How the hell you going to have a hospital that the doctor people will call him to go and serve the private hospital and they pay him? He will leave the hospital and go anytime he want. Anybody that come, they will die. Kabrinyin kambano tata. Mia afututa not long ago kadoku ke bank. Very good, responsible individual that can be a president that is better than you tomorrow. He's gone now. We don't know what he's capable of doing. He was so young. He can be anything. He's gone now. Nyin kambano kabira nata in the hospital. Molia nati je pengu o doctor nyanta pengu min diala doctor ndingol minu beje ima understand which one to give him. Dr. Bale a tata job fabric private hospital staff will ya pay. Ayala duty bula ayala doko bula a tata private hospital. Doctor Ningo nurse Ningo ma long. They don't even know fuck all about what medicine to use. What pengu to use? Nyin kambano fata ten. Mo fula dol min fata. Kun sa nying. Kun sa domani mal fata. Ibama mo ay dingo soto 2 weeks before. Ay dingo soto atariata 2 weeks before premature. Kabiri ay dingo soto RVH. Tili lulu drum molia bula anin kun fal. Mol kay ko ta bunko ni tata yesije ikana funti bunkono. Muni atina imang even job habrit place soto molka kunsa molka xamanaka premature baby keep damning ke look after je fo wolie mature 5 days drum ya fay say kabira sayta ama me telefula drum kilingo fata am murunta ko na dingo fata mol ya fay ko ha kabira fata wodo fara sasata min tutaje anata ko na dingo sasata wol ya fay ha okay de wol ya keep je tili lulu drum wol ya funtindi ko take ya fay say dini ngoni mamma chot folo ya fay say ni tata kana funti bun kono ye dini ngobe lumos yala balo lumos yeste bun kono wo kun fa fana fata wo kele no min tuta fana fata president ana baro modo ay dingo wulu mi yalon ko also the dingo fata ala kono just janning dingo la time be sila pour give back dingo fata ala kono kabiri atata RVH president ana baro Kabira Tata RVH, it's like you don't know what's going on in your country now. Here, we have to tell you that bloody thing that is going on here. You don't care about what's going on or what. Kabira Tata, moya la kono moya dingo nyim funtini min fata. Wum minka dingo nyim muta. Wolya bulaje. Iko nyina tale pour ka funtindi nyina. President Arabaro. Nyimol be nyanta ila government sula. Ye nyinu jo kodola wo kodo ye min landi nyinu jo millions of kodola ikam mol min fa because it is healthcare delala woto ni fata wol ye su ye jo but it's not going to happen because your people working for the government here for the job have court here they cannot sue you. They don't have money to sue you. Even if they want to sue you, it's not going to work here. But it gets what Allah is going to sue you, President Arabaro. President Arabaro, nying mo kabri nyu muso moli ala dingo funtindi ala bungo ala kono moli ya operate nyi wummi yala ngule dindi wo mutano nyi wummi nyi nyanta bola biko abeti nyatale moli molko if wo doctor sol ko ye nyinale kanyi wum bondi ye muso nyi la operation so be xoma naka fix ya be xoma naka fix aseta atata bun kono xoma naka so kono ala kono ka yiti ten ka yiti kabri mol yanati mol ko he because mol operation is not good mol nyanta wum nyum bondi la no mol ni natale ka bondi kabri mol katray ka kono fara ko kanyim bondi atata President Arabaro nying is just 4 recent cases that I'm telling you, 4 recent ones, 4 recent just before nying tobaski adum after tobaski le nying keta. I'm not talking about all these years there. Adum nying is just the 4 that I know of. I'm not talking about the ones that I don't know of that. I don't even do research about how many people dying. If I was doing that by now, I would have hundreds of lists to tell you. This is just a family member that is related to one of them. The other one is a wife to one of her, a family linked to his family. And then the other one is somebody that he knows. This young man that died, that worked in the bank. President Arabaro. Netra ila molke support because ika sajio 20,000 sajio min sangole. They don't give a damn that it all family members si fano tomorrow. As tano job hybrid RVH. There's no job hybrid doctor or medicine. wol nya butole mata woto ka bring inata sign kama naka force nteni mol mini ke support no because you are new. We wanted to give you hand to lift you up so you doku okay. But we tried Arabaro. Sanji jelu sign. Sanji sabo bena sira kodi. Arabaro ibe siri iba folo moliko kodo be bulule sign. Nangams of million in the jump have big budget. Wole yen kamfandi ayen satindi ayen hey Arabaro. So Arabaro kodo be bulu all this time ni mol ke criticize ko iman do ko okay iman hospital dada iman tendin dada nte nyongol ka fa ali yin ke obula everything is new he's still trying de Arabaro so you have the got to see kanyim fo mol ye ko kodo nyimbe bulule bari imam banko dada daram hey ala no problem Arabaro idiam
pour ñimbe ko do nga ñimbe murundi nga kewa account single account consolidated account pour bekata account client
he ala
pour transparency nga nati account client nga jubi ko nga bundal soro pour collection e kafu woto mo nga collection o men ke karo ko na kata million kemelulu nga wala collecte ñu kari na la jam wato nga struggle fond pour ko collecte bi nga bundal soro nga ferol nati banko fana open tab julol fana kana bagasol nati ku na collection of increased over 100% plus 1 billion plus being go collect bari nga ñu ne collect bari nga collect le ni nga collect 60% of nga men collect nga joju lol because of julo men Gambia 600 million nga wotale ka jo karoko 400 million plus wala katunna nga salary increase by 50% be over 300 million nga men ke salary drone nga men jo ngol jo mon pour jelle betule bulo ko wala nyanta man sakunda taman wala nyanta silo doku wala nyanta electricity doku ba doku no nyaari ota doku no wala kini nga innovative ideas soto nga jube ka ko nimban ko dol nyanta diamulal nimban ko dol nyanta dialale bilateral level ñi woni wolbe kaccaka pour doku ci keno doku men bebe keri man ka fekk na keso de ferol wolle o doku bam ko tamani ferol mbina la wata nga silol assess silo me la ka godron do sanyi tallu ni flokono 750 km woro ne doku do Gambia ko sanyi tallu ko right now until the project on over 300 kilometers the project on the right now I'm under 52 years it element do wala 50% develop do in 3 years ya ni mu kuleti me alon ko this is the reality ni mu kuleti me alon bu kanyil soso no ibe jele be kaytal ko no these are facts ini mo diata nyaawo nyaay bu kanyil soso no yelle be keri nde diam ba mala bari men kumara wala akso men kumara pour nga do ko kany banko wala kumara men do ku ganyi banko ganda sambala baro kundare ani banko le tam woto constitutional o symbole na pour banko la constitution no o responsibility pour ka nyintele nyanta do ku kala nyi banko ndele nyanta infrastructure improve la nyi banko ndele nyanta mo la balo nyi improve men fala mo le wala nyindi ko mbe banko ka banko mi alan ko lual le ba banko ka lafta mo be loi bu nde même président de be loi bu ku jama fam kala fila kala jannana ni ko loi ma so woto ku dol be general président fam bu ka keno because of loi ñi def ni loi ni président la miro farada nga loi taale da nga président la miro ni lade woto lafta mo be loi buña andun na momel be banta isalon ka fu nga jiki bale sotoyto munake ni nga o jiko sotoyto nata ite bora ñim banko ga ita Angleterre ita France ita America njikita ñi nako wota mo ñante de famu ndilal njikita ñi nako loi ka tama je ñame ñante xol buñal pour que loi tama ndi woña ite bora ñim banko ne kan ko bora ñim banko men kan ñim banko mol sim mako no le banko dol sim mako no bar pour kany banko do wallahi gambe angol drone ba do ko momo da do ko la anu momo man nyana tan la nyim banko ga sonni nako nga men do ko sanyi lulu ko no mole na ya tinya ni telikini ko wala telefula ko momo e man nyana sonna wala o man ke president barode de o mo gambe alti president barode man so nday mu achievement le so force achievement kira wolti mo la diamo one of the biggest achievement nga men kenyi banko ganja bari nimbe demokrasi fa tamani ngani hakilo tamani nimbe demokrasi tamani fa ngani bunya tamani because abe president le set la jame alon ko sama abe kudo le wulu la banko because ndela ra nyine ko ndela tamo banal so na tambe banale bari modo le nyanta murula salante noto nde nga problème o men soro man la fi ni mono minala jang me plaso dilala ndega bata men soto go soto mala ko because mbela fala ñin na ko nimbe banko sayla ta banko tara ñaato nimbe banko sayla lumme because bi banko la dépenso ala dépenso bi karilun no garanti la ñi banko ka mo man kar kilin traje bi karlu le mbul mbela fala nimbe banko bla sa mo sanji kilin garanti o bi je mais ala ko banko la dépenso la tawal mais si la samome banko la GDP anyanta grow la by 2%. 2017 nga grow by 4% plus. 2018 5% plus. Ñina nga expect la grow by 6.6%. Oto ndel la ñin la ko banko beta ka ñaata. Bari Allah na jaar salon ka fan sewota. En sewota back. Ni be gambera politiko fo ka West Coast le fuñ. E ko ka duwa Samoe Simayal. May waroke arosko. Fem be politiko la. Fem lafta kala president de Gambia ko le mudi right yek ñim ko president. E si la politiko ke ñaawo ñaama. Wala ke ne bi han opposition politicien na bita mi to nga security bi. No man la fi moye fitnandi. Lafta de eta yela politiko ka ñaama. Yara man president. Ita hañiri kunu ban trakke. Bari nga okele. Woto momo yela ta kala banko president. Please. Fay president baro ye dani. Ñaato bunda ye du ni jeel. Ja. Biko ñaato bunda dron wala be sino la jam. Ndega ñaato bunda la yele ndundani wol. Woto parantero ko ma bunda al wol be tuje. Wote sambal adula. Woto mbela fila ne momo yala ko lafta ñim bankuna. Yewo chance sotole. A chance ñu warta president baro la time la katambi momo la time. Biko lafta nga loi la nja loi me alon ko. Level playing field wala nat la jam. Na la ñoo soso ñi ñaala suto.
I cannot continue the video. I think it's 3 minutes left, but President Barrow, ite be mo ñaato bunda le fo kan ko ite wala use. President Barrow, ite yalo ne mu ñaato bunda. Ñaato bunda wala mu ye campaign, ye la promise fo molye, ya fo molye ite min achieve no, molye vote. Moli choose ye ñaato bunda job habri soto. President Barrow, ite ma ñaato bunda soto. I'm sorry, President Barrow, we still love you. Doesn't mean that we're not going to tell you the truth. You can sit there and tell us anyhow you want. And we also have the right to talk. Okay, President Barrow? Jokes aside, listen, President Barrow. President Barrow, I'm all try to they were supporting you with me in the beginning. They're all gone long time ago. They don't even talk to me anymore. Over a year now since they've abandoned me, that I'm still trying to support you. They all give up on you long time. I don't give up easily on people like me. President Barrow. Mo ñaato bunda ite wole fokang because ite koma bunda ye wole use hani sign mol me long. Mol ye vote I know, but mol me long num like Gambian call me long num. So what ñaato bunda ye wole diam ka? President Barrow. Ite ma lonko molie vote le pour ite na ke president pour ye banko dada fo ite ma banko dada lonko banko dada is from school to medicine. President Barrow ite le banko dada is about silol ikamin dada. President Barrow ni silol jumala motole be borilaje. President Barrow hani ñin jump habri kurango yemin ñin kurang kulungo yemin nat ñu ñin kulungo mi ñanta kurango natila. Hani na for example kurango now is free in Gambia. President Barrow jumale be kodo sotolo ka free jo sang wala tele ni mol mon school bete mal soto ka karan ni mol man dula soto ikata métier karan nyaming dula minna ni mol man dula soto ibe do ko wala dula minna ila do ko dula juma xamane wala be Gambia na manke le jompa beri ami wol mi yalla ko ikamuto ko Charles Simbo ni ami wol ni police wol mi yalla ika ja ko mi Charles Simbo because of lack of kodo, lack of payment. Hani ni yalla in job beri salary increase what's the word ngala na iba increase la job beri tiny money here still fuck all here. I was in Gambia not long ago. Police wol ka still job beri 3,000 less than 3,000 soto ni job beri police kutamal ni $3,000 or less. I think it's definitely not even $3,000 according to what I hear. Ninjo probably ami wol minuka mutako Charles Simbo because kodo table. Look, I don't care, ikakodomi foko whatever in the budget. President Arabara, Muniatina Imanin Kodo Funtindi. Ye Gambia hospital dada. Ye Gambia doctorul Nini, Natra Gambia doctor Mansiagi, because Nanon and Tul Jama Komi Amijo. No Karango, no doctor, volunteer boy soul be burita in a back way. Dole fata, dole homanaka kununta, what's the word, Richie? Come to the back way. No lot of young people in Gambia, no lot of doctors in Gambia. Lot of them are just jump abri Yamba Sabala, jump abri Musul Jama, jump abri Ranchang, weak wela, like Amijo, weakening, rougening, idiotic, I know. But yeta jump abri Dr. Sol order water. From job habri China, wala Cuba, wala job habri anywhere. You will not, in a job habri hospital. Ye try yin youth soul train fana. Youth dol mini school onying bill. Ye school data. Ye school dol lafa. Ye teacher soul la kodoke. Ye good system kije. Ye teacher soul fana order. Inyanta teacher soul order la sadly. Gambia teacher soul tol masoto. Nayatara teacher tanem. Fula drone yele do kolong. Taita teacher soul order. Nyin kodo use ye youth soul develop ana baro. I know ibetala sign. I know ni ila 3 years sita ibetala. Who the hell is gonna vote you when the 3 years is finished? Never to our dead body. Look, ibetala, I know. Ike fande nene ni be sirinje ka foko momo min la vitante mi yalon ko itele ente no. Vote ni time sita ye wuli yena ye campaign yena ye win ntinga lon ko itele ente no. Ye wole fo. Ya fole the next ninga nyim video play next ngami rebe wo fola. But Arabaro, you're joking with yourself. You're not joking with us. Arabaro yalon ne haninti ami job. Jumpa break comedian te. Ninna tanga lonu ngakon lafta kela president molben televola. Because ite ye mune ke put moye muta. Apart from mol ika sajio di munila. Wolle be vodla right now. Nyin job habri mol mi yalos because of sajio ni man bottle ning envelope or whatsoever ika wole di wolle. Wolle be continue ke mako side. Momo mi yalon ko there with their God. Jokes aside, they have God in them and they have human feeling and emotions and they're human enough. They are long time ago. President Arabaro, look, President Arabaro, you cannot do this to yourself because ikanyi minki molye abe nala iteya Arabaro mol batata ka bring jompa briya jeme bejenu sanji tan nimfula molbe batakan sanji muang animfula. Doctoral is like this. Lopitanol is like this all this time. It was okay, but it was never the best. Sai inata purka ke ayeke the best. Ye opportunity soto. Ye kodo soto from dunia be. Ite fangon nata ya fo molyeko. Nga kodo soto le from dunia be. Kodo fele laring. Mambang kole da darong. Ala tabula la ying hako ye ye get away with it. Hadama dingola hako is real. Along ko hanini kete presidenoti hakobe mutala. Along. Nyin kambano min fata teng RVH because of no doctor. Nyin muso min ala kunsal fata. Nyin oda muso min fata ay dingo wulu mi yalon ko dingo nyi man what's the word? Dingo nyi man balunu xamana kono molia funtundi mol mala wum bondi. All of this is a hako that you can prevent and you're not preventing it. It's gonna come haunting you. I'm not joking. And mol mi yalo ifata jama mi yalo ko made be long maybe fono jang. Taeta nyin kodota hanini ile 2 years after 2 years ibe tala fine. Taeta nyin kodota niko ila fita Gambia dala pour ni ite tata. Mol si Gambia bete maje. Nganyim foile from day one kabini starter case support ko. Taeta lopitano da aning schoolol invest in the schoolol. Ye teacher bete mal nyini. Ye class bete mal ke. Ye good system ke ye nying Gambia small tiny Gambia nying. It take a million so me sort of from Tubabu Dube. Aning all the international help. Niwo invest in a school and hospital. By now Gambia have the best school and hospital in the whole world. The best education system and the best hospital. Ka hospital bill. good hospital. It's not going to take you more than 2 years. Iba Billah, at least 3 mega big hospital in the Gambia. You can start from that at least. Why the hell until now you're not talking about the RVH? You're not doing any hospital thing. You bring in the job bridge, you job bridge school bed, I'll come in natty, and you job bridge little medicinal and stuff. You job bridge little stuff about more baby you use la pour the not long ago Kabri Ali Wolke because you only molly at all criticizing enough all this time for 3 years side. 4 ila 2 years min tuta ila chicken chain 2 years min tuta bena banda side. Alko matunga nyi job bridge little think about hospital pour you soto. So altata ali ni job bridge masinol natty and stuff ngajele ali molia post not long ago. Who cares about ni job bridge masinol? Mol ba use la munto. Wo RVH ani wo job bridge ni hospital be da min kabri benu Gambia na ko na do masa sata ben be jenu. Job bridge Jammeh Foundation, I don't know what it's called now. Can't even. So disgusting and dirty, the toilets and everything. Ooh. No good service at all, just going crazy. Look, President Adama Barrow, instead of you eating yin kodo soto kasije, instead of yin kodo soto kasije ka for mole ko yin kodo ben bulle alentol bless yin kodo be budget, millions of money in the budget now. The budget is very good. Nin tata be country bulala nin depass betema sanjilu depasso. Janni ibe sanjilu depasso bulala. Be depasso ke. Who does that? Iman domoro soto be min domora. Boro table. School table. Ibe depasso blala pour sanjilulu pour ni ite botaje wala ni fata molia use. Who does that Adama Barrow? Who does that? Adama Barrow, I'm so angry and disappointed in you. Adama Barrow, doesn't mean that me kanu hani sande. Bari niye mo kanu ibe tonya faila fanang. Ntol Africa nak, this is our problem. Nintole mo kanu buka son katonya faila. Kabrimol ke criticized from day one. I was one of the people that was supporting you. Hanis sign, I'm supporting you. Doesn't mean that you make me angry now by sitting there telling me that the money's there, we're just not gonna fix the damn country. And I'm angry. Doesn't mean that I don't support you still. Me, when I love hard. I don't easily give up, but when I give up hard. But before I give up, I like to wait and get my receipt before I give up. I don't easily give up that. President Adama Barrow, I'm really extremely disappointed in you. President Adama Barrow, all these years, nka try ke support, more ke criticize, ke neng kante neng fang. Ka just, going crazy, ko hani ngalinga support. Hani, he's new. Hani anatale, banko man kodoso ta kabire nat. All new excuse nka minyi President Adama Barrow. Hani sa you continue finding your bridge, President Adama Barrow, jumping from one bridge to another. President Adama Barrow nyim boso ite kamin foko mobe la boso kono nyin jompa bari boso wala ya tinna ikasilo dada kay pour ye bori nyim manol kanding ila boso bari Adama Barrow hey alawo. So Adama Barrow, you are really this bus driver that people calling you this whole time, and I don't want to use this name on you. So Adama Barrow ite be nyin silo dada la pour ye na nyim motol borindi nyim boso borindi manoka. But Adama Barrow mol be fakang in the Job Harbury Hospital every single day in RVH mol ka fa. Jammeh Foundation nying kanifin every single day Dr. Solka mol opre mol ka fa. Yalo ye word sotole mol ka deliver dai mol ka dingol wulu dami. Every single time ika mol opre mol ka fa. Imanya na mi opre la woya opre. Yana mi opre la woya opre. Equipment man soto, bagasol man soto, doctor soul qualification, doctor soul man soto. Nothing. Every day mol kafa. Adama Barrow, you know the amount of people that are dying in your country a day because of lack of medicine. It take a whole lot for a book long. I really think you don't know. Honestly speaking, I think you don't know it. I think near long as a human being, balo bebulu, yellow bebulu. It be wulila. It is sinola at night unless you fix this problem. I think you don't know the amount of people that are dying in your country every day. Adama Barrow, this is not joke anymore. Wuli yeta ila nyin tiny country mi yalonko is like a a doyata kamuta ko wan kordalem ñi Gambia doya ringu million sol minu ka dunje e free atta ya use ye mol ma ko iba fala ni nga ko do soto amanta barakunda what the hell ko do manta barakunda woto ila ñi jompa bri korda yemin dada do ila ñi jompa bri korda yemin dada barakunda kabri ye commencé ka ke president mol ke criticize nte ñongol I was like leave him there, he have to make his house, he's a president there. I try to fight for you the whole time but you just don't give a damn and you will never do, and I'm tired. I cannot continue supporting someone when I know that I have to be honest. I have to be honest with you. When you love someone, you have to be honest with them. Doesn't mean that you hate them. Until moving on a way like this, he's our enemy, she's our enemy. No. When you love someone, you have to tell them the truth before it's too late. I know Ibetala Nila time sitter. Because you don't give a damn to tell people, to show people that you care about them. Wole yatina iman diamu nyi salo. Nyi tubaski salo. Akumayata nyaming. Ha? Iman diamu ka fo muli alla jopa bri salo message fele. Fuck all. I thought you were dead long time ago. I'm not even joking. I didn't know you were alive here. Nyin Christmas kabiri anata I jump brita e wulita ka fo Christian be oh happy Christmas da ye Christmas message okay salo nata ye iba fala nyim mol mi yaray monte like who is going to waste their energy to wish them happy salo abula yela bridjol nyini so ye quiet ye rang like if fatale or something. I was like ara baro fatale mol ma long fo nyaade yara fa imam fa hani fang me muta. So ye wuli ye mo landi ye diam ye diam ni jopa bri diamo mi yalla ko kamol hadani lem ana bro ile ni video kamol hadani lem ba play la ko take next janim ni betala ba play la without talking just so aliya be moy hadani lem ika angry ikam fata nyami aka fenne fo molye ida itebe minna je imantara to nyala je or ite comforta because mol me like nyin kufulo ila nyin anga aka wolefo if ka diamu very angry in your video andi ya fo yarante man la fi diam bala woto ite man la fi diam bala nyin jampo bri diam way kamin kedum inata ya fo mol akabri be nyi banko da kan fente je nun de mano mon soto ba sukuro mon soto je mon soto ajube nun dala sikewele bi genu ka be nga banko ta ke nyi silol nga min dada silol metari wuli kilin nem dada I don't even know kabri nga nyi silota kabri nga nyi banko ta silo metari fula dron bi gen te nga nyi metari wuli kilin dada de ha so ko do 20 wulu million sol ko do 20 wulu nyi bank accountol be nga be ka fa nyawa nga million sol be landi ha so think I'm a good president de. President Araboro, it is like 13 minutes of talking. President Araboro, it is one thing often for Molia Mialonko, Akumayata, apart from Kamol Hadai. Like a hopeless amijo. President Araboro, it is a foko, it is in Kodomi Bebulu, Abeje, Purni, it is Botaje, Molia de Passos to Kabankoda. I'm crying. President Barrow, I'm crying. It's not time to laugh today. President Barrow. So molko itemam banko marano wo tonyalem inata ka confirm molye ko tonyalem fo nyade. Ite ya for from your own mouth ya for all your enemies la ko. Kodo be mburu bari malom ba kala nyade. Malom be banko da dala nyade. Nyanta jompa be school da dala. Dindi molye karak pour ni menta ite konak ite kala commenting ami job. Nyanta wole kala bari malom ba kala nyade. Hospital o nyanta min dadala pour mol kana fa mom wo fanan lomba kala nyadi ka doctor sol nyini ka good jopa bri health care system ke malom so be ko do brala je pour nintata aliena alia dada woto president Barrow ita sign jopa bri resign woto kana but jopa bri 2 years. Don't eat any more super kanja Barrow. Get to hell. Come on, man. Why the hell you keeping the money for when you go? People can come and fix that damn country for you because you can't fix it. I'm done. I've never been so disappointed in my life. Hey, Allah, no problem, Allah. No problem. blame Allah. No problem at all, Allah. Hey, Adama Barrow. Matunga nyim video la bande jandi me fala.
Men ñi ñata men tele ko elal. Ando ñaaro bunda la ciabo be jowalle bulu. O ñaaro bunda ciabo be gambian kol le bulu. Ko to gambian kol dron wala si sindi no jang. Ando min na lafta wala 2021 ila dala kudu kara. Ye pare combat. Ni la de ka mbambandal 2021 ni dunda combat kon ni boy roke inshallah nga fay tele bamban. Mbe gambian kol dan lawol be politicien o dan lawol. Nde politiko bu kan ni mo kelen. Ando politiko mi alon ko fitno ro na fata. Politiko mi alon ko wital la mol banin na fata. Politiko mi ida radio be dembo santan na fata wala. Ibida president on na fata. Aman na fa o na fa so doy. Ida men fon kan ro nyinka man na fa so doy. E kam men ne man na fa so doy. E abanko nya man na fa so dala. Ndebe no UDP bari mo jamaale be ni APRC ko ter nyolu muy. Andu kana yalla fana ni ka nyona fa. Hani la cabinet ministre ni dol be business do ben ni o temal. Woni politiko mangi klendi. Oto na reka fa kariol karata mal kariol na de kan mo me alan ko gambian ko ndilo gambian ko be la president. E mo UDP ba, e mo APRC ba, e mo GDC ma be la president. Mo na ken ni problème so de kata police station. Police station ben tele ko. Mo na ken kata ji. So mo be mo ndila dimbayal ti banko be. Ison tammo e man so mo be mo ndila dimbayal a be. Anu femfe alon ko lafta na lan kan femfe alon lafta pour na diam femfe alon ko pour lafta ñoo ma ko la ñu banko la taman do femfe lafta wala ni na don ni be welcome la bari man la fi momo me alon ko e be la façon ko que pour kan nañu do ko ñu pour ka tiña hani da lafta wala woto isalon ka fo ko ndenga mo bele kanya ni banko ko men be kala sama jomale alo ani mo kilimalo andonde lafta ñin nako ngambandi president yala president kuto men binala ndefa ngata nga kitabo ta nga Hanover ma ay kel lafta wona ki banko do nyina ngajala kata murtani akata je akata na jire wol president men gagneta ani president men bina sil president men na time o banda e signo dal nyala speak dia nyi compliment nyi fona ya speak dia nyi don compliment mo nyi nyata woti fe man nyi nyawoti mo don lafta gambian kol ye wakili bulo wosilole noma ne kuje me aron ko abetiata e nyanta bulala ko no male pour asko ci keno la banko kan lafta banko dol be nyame gambe ko nyame fen ne ya lon ko be nyim banko kan lafta be ngam bulo pour ngam banko do e ma do kunte de ya do ku gambia le andum gambia mota do ku nola na mankentelle andum bi altel gambian ko le responsibility dinna ka fa ngake o nyaato amange ka fa ndele hakilo wartal bet amange ka fa ndele karantal bet amange ka fa ko ndele wakiltal bet bari mole lanna yale soto ala la duño kan mol na to response bimbe o response oto fem ma bete jambi mba be control mba be tentu mba jayil gambia bele bente gambia le be fanan beñi la moy oto fem mi ko gambia ko le muy be president baro support ba e ma support ba bari gambia muy tale gambia mum be taati oto nga lo nga ku beto ke pour gambia ta ñaar mba be tentu la mba be jayila mba fala assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah
ha god So, bus driver Adama Barrow. Adama Barrow bus driver. Adama Barrow kono ba. Like Ami Job. Adama Barrow musu xees joppa bari xeesal muso mi yala ay suñaro ke abedo ko la no official ay suñaro ke for joppa bari ala antiya bay ay na Gambia ti suñaro ke fana joppa bari 30 million yi so Adama Barrow this whole time kabiri mulka foko ite you are very arrogant and you will never fix the country. It was true. Hey, Allah. So Adama Barrow this whole time, mol coming for. I don't take honey, mol be jealous come. because even job habri security guard, you know, in a job habri Argos. Now you're a president, they're jealous. All this time I was dancing, supporting you was for zero. So, bus driver Adama Barrow, it's not because you are not educated. Your lack of education, you know, your job probably high school education, is not the problem. It's just because you're very African. This is the problem. You're very African. You will never take the things that's supposed to be prioritized to be prioritized. Never in your dream. It's in your blood. You're born with it. To neglect. You're born to neglect. That is your problem. Hey! So, Adama Barrow, ite ya lonne ko, ite Molye choose by accident because there was nobody to choose. Job habri paringo benu job habri present. I don't even know why Mulma job habri Halifa Sallah choose no any job habri mango factory nye. I told you mango factory promise ganye. Kande. Fuck all. I don't know why they choose you. Maybe they thought because you're a landlord. You have some houses and stuff. Yellow African told Nimo Yokodo Sotontul Kamari, you know, trust. This is the problem. Kodi tool. I don't mol min ka for salam alaikum, you know, nice and calm. Salam alaikum. Mol camera will they very good. Ami job nyongol minuka diam baake. Wol camera. Ooh. I'm thinking mune hati na Molye choose nunde. I'm trying to figure out. So Adama Barrow Molye choose no. Because of imunung job bare, you know, landlord letinu, you know, Molye Americo, momiye cordal soto no, ka luas. Oto asik Bangkok, you know, marano. Also, ikoye kudo dundinung, you know, nye job bare, you know, kabri molbe job bare la kaya jame, you know, get her, you know, kicked. Ikoye kudo dundi, you know. So molba amira la ni keno woto nyeng abe banko satonola. But ntol Africa non tol nyanta ka lonko. Life is not about who have the money to do this. President Adama Barrow. Ite muni atin na bus driver, sorry, excuse me, bus driver Adama Barrow. Charles Simbo xeesal muso suñaaro muso Charles Simbo xeesal muso ñi ani suñaar muso ñi suñaar la muso ñi from Afusel to Banko la Kodo ayabe suña from Afusel la Kodo kabira be do ko no Afusel ngala history lon ne do you think I don't know. I just don't want to say this whole time thinking it's change but the batch never change I guess. Too tiny to change. A lot of the skinny women are batches, but not all of them. This particular one is, honestly. So, Adama Barrow. Allah. So, Adama Barrow, ni ite nata yesi banko kang yafu banko mulbe ko. Kodo bembulu banko la budget des kodo. Ntelenga kodo nyin develop abe lori mbaba to kanne pour nin tata. Warante nim fata Molye na yewo kodo yu sanjilulu banko la depaso. Hey! Adama Barrow ni ite kanyimfo. Ite ka kende yale bang. Fo ile nya budole kata lakira. Adama Barrow, I'm asking you this question. Ngamwele Alkante Jubele and in the State House. I hope Alkante Jubele sign. Adama Barrow. Ni ite ye dayele ya fo nyim banko Molye ko nyin kodo abe bulu Gambia la budget jompa break budget nyin kodo million sol be larenje pour ni ite fata wala ni ite botaje Molye banko dépasse sanji lulu banko mi yala abe sunding sanji keme amane anane man dumuro soto abe sunding ali san mol ka fa banko la Jompabiri hospital no any hospital doctor, no any good equipment, no any good hospital, no even a toilet, not even a clean toilet in any of your Jompabiri hospital. Two, none of them. Yeta ila school di ningol la school komi dara almudi. Hopeless, rotten, wrecked was the word. Hopeless school on you. Nin Jompabiri teacher solman fekolong. Fokol good education yeta ila polisol fokol ibebe jaren komi Charles Simbo mi HIV soto ila army all that's it. Everybody go, just too poor and going crazy. Iki Jompabiri, 2,000, 3,000 fokol near manu boto sang abanta. Ika mol arrest every day, kamol lipa, kamol fa hani kamol fa fang. Kamol lipa kela kodo ta because no kodo. Yenyi million soul muta. Yela korda dada fa nyata. Yela, stealing batch, bleaching skinny batch, stealing woman nying. Yela musu follow nying. Sunyar la skinny batch nying ye kodo dia la fire la skin Jompabiri bleach more. Amanjari ay sunyar okay now from Jompabiri officially. Aba sunyar rek from one account to another. 33 million where it is gone, startups. It's not gonna come back again. That's it. So it's easy for her to sunya now, yeah. Imagine you're sunyaing from a Jompabiri official and now you're a Jompabiri hopeless president wife. Allah, no problem. So ilang hopeless batch ka, ka kodo sunya mo. Ite wo kodo landije ikoya landije le pour ni tata. Ni fata warante ni tata moyena e de paso soto sanjulu de paso. So ni skinny bet kakodo sunya from ni Jompabiri kodo ikame mara pour ni tata. Anyway, after ila korda be dada. Ye chicken chenyo ni mara after ila korda belt. So President Adama Barrow mol kanyim for itiya. I was so blind all these years. Thinking that people are just wicked and jealous of you and criticizing you, finding barrage. So President Adama Barrow coming for bus driver Adama Barrow is true. So itelebe nala ya for moli ko kodo be bulu na millions of money in the country budget. You're just not gonna fix the country. You don't give a damn about people. Also, you don't know how to fix the country. Ite you have the gut to confess and tell. You see ala ka ko kanyam. Adama Barrow. Yaji ala ko kata nyame. So yaji muniyat na nga foy ko ala Israel. Ala yake ite ye mol kumandi ila Jompabiri State House. Ye fan sun dayele ya fu dunya bela ko imangi fa dam about Gambia. Wole ya tinna ye mol bula fa ila lopitan everyday mol ka fa. Ngani mol min foyetem wole fata. Mol min fata is more than that. From the Jompabiri Kanifi Hospital to Jompabiri RVH every single time mol ka fa. Because of lack of doctors, lack of care, Jompabiri, equipment that they need. School didn't book even A to Z spell no. No good teachers, no good, Jompabiri, system. Yena lo ya fu molye ko nga millions of kodo soto in the country budget nga min develop. Abe lorin je pour nin tata molya use ye country depasse. Ite how the hell ite mu alfaleti mi yalan ko kewo mi yalan ko yenta depasso di le diningole ila muso eta tabiro ke bi ay domoro ke molya domo bi ye wol staff indi ye wol ya fo wol yeta sum wol yeta fa sum karo ko wala kamana kat moli weta starvation ite wo ko do mara pour ni ite fata ke do mi bena ila muso futula ay wo ko do funtini ay di mbaya balundi. Who does that? How you even gonna say that? Ala choke you, of course. Ala ye choke pour yafo. Dola ko le muta. From ñi muso mi fata nga mi foyta. From ñi muso do mi ala kunsal fata. From ñi kambano mi fata ay muso futu ama me a fata. Ala muso hay nan ka tenji sañ anyanta tenji la karinani tenji. Sun kutu nding anyanta tenji la sañ. Ñi hakol ani millions of people, lot of people mi fata. Kabri isita hani sañ ñi kodo soto ñi kodo e Gambia nigle. Mol minu ka faabe ila hakol. Wuliat na ala ye choke ya fo molye from your da. Ya fo molye, you're happy laughing talking. You didn't even know what you were saying. Hey Adama Barrow, you don't know this, your speech costs you a lot. You will never win any election again. I promise to you. Arabaro, you will never, Allah is my witness, never you will win any election in Gambia now. 110% clear. If in Nika Sadio San Gambia mul beside, Momo ye korda dung one korda to another. Ini la jump ha bridge pick up motor ni jump ha bridge fan school up motor ni. Wol ye dung korda e manu boto landije. Ani Sadio, ani Sukroni everything. Hani sa itete winna because Mola Hako is bigger than jump ha bridge manu boto. Mol minuka fa. Every single month, the amount of people that die in that country because of lack of healthcare. The amount of children every year that going onto the street because of lack of good education. 81 million soul isatano ye Gambia school data, ye Gambia healthcare data. Ye Joppa Bridge factory or ye biscuit factory or Joppa Bridge Charles Simbo factory, whatever. Ye more employ. No. Ibe sirinje ining ilanyin supadi kono like Amijo. I'm done with you, President Barrow. Boss driver Barrow. Never I'll call you president anywhere. Sa ilanyin bosol ika silo dada min, you know, pur yin silo ika min dada pur ila bosol ye borije. Ara Barrow. Fo ite malon ko nyim bosol si accident sotono ye fa. Ye ta alaya. Mol minu ko fanyi lopitano to sign be because ye neglect wol be ye wulinak. Ye low. Ye lined up. Ite kunna ila bosoto. Never ibe kunna je lakira. Ala le mu boss drive foti lakira. Not you. Sign ike la boss drive no. Ye mol bully. Ye la boss drive. Ye mol nyawal ye mol hajani ka foko banko ko do bembulu millions bembulu bari mantara banko dala ala bari joni de. Ye mol bully. Bari lakira. Ni fata ye wuli. Ala drone mu boss drive foti je. Mol minu fata signed because of lack of medicine, lack of good health care. Ko do be bulu imada da. Wul bebe wuli la nak ibe normal nak. Ye soran nak. Ah, fo ala le mo fo. Ala ko aliye mi ngomi ke nyin dunya nar fata. Al bajel aliye mi ngomi ke al nyongola. It's not me who said that. So Nikela have to know dung like hopeless ya jamaica kenu nyame. Ka pretend ko ite you're a Muslim. Show it to people. Muslim is not just by word or dress. Show it to people that you're a Muslim. Don't come and tell us that I have the money, I'm not going to do it. And iko man la fi diam bala de. Hey, what do you tell after diam bala no ibeta milami job. So you man la fi diam bala but every time ye diam ye mul hadanye. President Barrow, imeta kamul hadanye this whole time. I keep protecting you, you know. Keep trying to hope that you will change. President Barrow, you don't think more support nanka support le heart. Janinka give up akatale so long. President Barrow, man still give up for it. This is your last chance now. Now when Alcante was in the State House. Now Albeit find a bridge. Quickly start working, fixing the hospital right now. Right now, President Barrow. Wokodo ibe bulalaje pour ni tata moli banko mara sanjilulu. Because imam banko mara no. Wole yakne ibe kodo mutakan. Kodo yemin ikamen spend anyway. Ya America dena no le nene. We are too old. Ni kodo spend. Ye banko la country dada. Yes, healthcare dada. Yes, school dada. Yes, school system ke ayeki good teachers all order. Yes, yake very strict teachers all ye teach very strict. Comme tubabu do teachers all kake nyami. Ali education nyinke very strict. Alkata job habri kanyu sunkutol be employed as a teacher, as a doctor, they don't even know fuck all. Some of them, they just need a job habri long wig and a job habri red lipstick here. And then the job habri manager will just touch her and give her the job habri job. Alala brijoni. Nan fata. But kisalatu fata, nan fata. I'm done. Ile diamo fele molia la moikotake. I'm gonna go.
Council of Elders, West Coast, Gambia, Dembo Santa Mboja. Ila momel bena la membo da West Coast, membo da Banco de la Doto, ba be konto. na advice sol bi jang be konton na chairman bi jang na chairman bambandi bal bi jang albe lori albe bambandi albe do ko la banko ya ni president ko do ko la drone ni ani me nyanta do ko na ministre kilingole ma be jang bari la ni nako amad babe na bosoko andun la ni nako west coast ben na bosoko non andin la ni nako gambian gol ben na bosoko non la ta wala mbenda ni ne ko sanyi saboko nyanta constitutional review nyanta kilal nyanta constitution change la sanyi saboko wodo mo ngana ta no election akita ba après que ba consultation de keri sign draft ni nyanta bolal ayna cabinet draft ayta national assembly ayna funti ayna ta referendum nyimbe nyanta kelal banku dolto ye transitional government also ye appoint imante appoint ikatale fay bala ken ke president so ni wala call differently wala ken ninte option lo na decision okay famoy ngabula bari no na mandate ni is 5 years and men na mandate ni mbati mandate muna ken ni ngombe men na mandate ni timandila do ko lebe me ala ko nyante kelal ando do ko mbeti mandila o be kafula na legacy lema ka fa president baro da rena na jang ay constitution na da constitution kendo na da jang me ala ko mebi sanji to sanji keme nyaado o constitution be kontre ka gambia tanan lafto way ton nak andu lafta fanan nga reform process na da jang strong institution na da jang banko kanja lafta wala tranna na legacy nyin ko nga ke first president oti me ala ko ay security sector reform ki jang comprehensive one responsive to democratic principles nga wolon ni nyimba ko gang left away from it and legacy kono I am the first president in this country mo me ya lon ko ay security sector ni ka audit ka kontibo ka lon même bi force ndir nga kija man sa kunda ka tamani process la ka tamani lual bari mbi banko tala lummi less than 1 month dépense wala be ni Gambia banko nata la lummi banko la juo debt to GDP 120% na GDP sango be mume o julo men ben atata fo 120% asiara nga men so sango na julo mo wol treasury bills banko tala fa bankrupt la may ka julo ta commercial bank ñol leto treasury bills atata fo 23% because of banko sula ta kodon nga jini sodon nga jini traja commercial banks bu ka don ka mol don at 28-30% because of ya lon ka fako ye central bank sotole wala sefta isi la kodo ya sama central bank ye interest jama sodoje ikafo to mo ika doko ke nyamen na banking ikafo le amchia banking ikela kodo ta ya do central bank ida si amchia kono ila interest banko le ke interest bari sai na ram fene no be yelman na narrative ni nga change bi nga interest ni nga jindle for 9% sai commercial bank so by force nga jindle ika 15% ika wodi la public ni by force bu yalla ne ka foko interest man trama sekondal karo biko mansule la kodal biko liquidity kodo nga soro na keso ko mbenala lumme na foreign reserve foreign exchange foreign currency reserve membe mbulu 35 million o fana mu julol ti membe bankol na tale ngaw bondi je fo ngaw julol be jo bi na foreign reserve over 200 and something million wala bi je mena ko na lati membe bankol minala wado men account on membe masakunda bulu account jama commercial bank so be account on be bulu pour ñimbe ko do be suñano la ñaari nga ñimbe murundi na nga ke wa account single account consolidated account ko do be kata account kilon pour transparency nga nati account kilon to nga jubi ko nga bundal soro pour collection e kafu woto mo nga collection o men ke karo ko na kata million kemelulu nga wala collecte ñu kari nata jam wato nga struggle fond pour ko collecte bi nga bundal soro nga ferol nati banko fana open tab julol fana kana bagasol nati ku na collection o increased over 100% plus 1 billion plus bi nga wala collecte bari nga ñine collecte bari nga collecte le ni nga collect 60% of nga men collect nga jojulol because of julo men Gambia 600 million nga wotale ka jo karoko 400 million plus wala katunda nga salary increase by 50% be over 300 million nga men ke salary do nga men jo mol jo mon ora jelle bet lay bulo ko wala ñanta man sakunda taman wala ñanta silo dokul wala ñanta electricity dokul ba dokul na ñaali wota dokul na wala kini nga innovative ideas soto nga jube ka ko nim banku dol ñanta diamulal nim banku dol ñanta dialale bilateral level ñi woni wolbe kaccaka pour dokul si keno dokul men bebe keri man kam la keso de ferol wolle o dokul banku tamani ferol mbena la wata nga silol assess silo me ala ka godron do sanyi tallulu flokono 750 km wodron dokul do gambe ko sanyi tallulu ko right now the project will be over 300 kilometers the project on the right now. I'm under 52 years it element doku wala 50% deboro doku in 3 years. This is the reality. You cool let me ala bukan yil soso no. Ibe jele ibe kaitel kono. These are facts. Ini mo diata nyawo nya bukan yil soso no. Yil lebe keri. Nde diamo ba mala. Bari men kumara wala akso. Men kumara pour nga doko ko nyimbango ya. Wala kumara. Mbemen doku ka nyimbango ganda sambala baro kundare. Ani banko le tam. Woto constitutional o symbole na pour banko la. Constitution o responsibility pour ka nyindele nyanta doku kala nyimbango. Ndele nyanta infrastructure improve la nyimbango. Ndele nyanta mo la balo nyi improve. Mbemen fala mo le wala nyindi ko. Mbe banko ka banko mi alan ko loi le ba. Banko ka lafta mo be loi bunya. Nde même président de mbe loi bunya. Kuja wa fon kala fila kala jannana ni ko loi ma so. Woto kudol bi general président fon buka keno. Because of loi ñi def. Ni loi ni président la miro farada. Nga loi taale da nga président la miro ñi ladi. Woto lafta mo be loi bunya. Andun na mo mel be banta. Isa lon ka fo nga jiki bale sotoyto. Munake ni nga oji ko sotoyto. Nara ite bora ñi banko ga ita da Angleterre. Ita da France. Ita da America. Njikita ñi nako wota mo ñante de famu ndilal. Njikita ñi nako loi ka tama je ñame ñante xol buñal pour que loi tama ndi wonya. Ite bora ñi banko ni kan. Ko bota ñi banko men kan. Ñi banko mol simma ko no le banko dol simma ko no bar pour que ñi banko do wallahi gambian ko drone ba do ko mo da do ko la andu mo man ñana tan la ñi banko ga soññi nako nga men do ko sañi lulu ko no mo le na ya ti ñani telikilin ko wala telifu la ko mo e ma ñana sonna wala o man ke president barode de o mo gambialti president barode ma so nay mu achievement le so force achievement kira wolti mo la diamo freedom is one of the biggest achievement nga men kenyi banko ganja bari nimbe democracy fa tamani ngani hakiro tamani nimbe democracy tamani fa ngani bunya tamani because abe president le set la je me alon ko sama abe kudo le wulu la banko because ndela ra nyine ko ndela tamo banal so na tambe banale bari modo le nyanta murula salante noto nde nga problème o men soro man la fi ni mono minala jang me praso dilal ndenga bata men soto goyo soto mala fo digo mbela fala ñinna ko nimbe banko sayla ta banko tara ñaata nimbe banko sayla lumme because bi banko la dépenso ala dépenso bi karilul no garanti li banko ga mo man kar kilin traje bi karilul le mbul mbela fala nimbe banko bla sa mo sanji kilin garanti o bi je mais ala ko banko la dépenso la tawol mais si la samomen Bankola GDP anyanta grow la by 2%. 2017 nga grow by 4% plus. 2018 5% plus. Nyina nga expect la grow la by 6.6%. Odo ndella ta nyina la ko banko beta ka nyata. Bari Allah na jaar salon ka fa sewota. En sewota back. Ni be gambera plorigo fo ka West Coast le fuj. E ko ka duwa Samoe Simayal. May waroke Fem be political. Fem la takala president de Gambia ko le mudi right yek nyimban ko president. E si la politico ke nyaawo nyaama. Wala ke ne bi han opposition politician na bi tamit na ga security bi. Bo man la fi moye fitnan bi. La tade eta yela politico ka nyaama yara man president. Ita haniri pour mo ban traké bari nga okere nga opo. Woto momo yela takala banko president. Please fay president baro ye dani. Ñaato bunda yedu ninje ja biko ñaato bunda dron wala be sino la ja ndega ñaato bunda la yele ndunda ni wol wodo parantero ko ma bunda al wol be pije o te sambal adula wodo mbela fila ne momo yalla ko lafta ñim bankuna yewo chance sotole a chance ni warta president baro la time la katambe momo la time biko lafta nga luwa la ni ja luwa me alon ko level playing field wala naati la ja na la ñoo soso ñi ñaala suuto Ali bado fano yake ni fano keda men ñi ñata men ko yelal ando ñaaro bunda la caabo be jowalle bulu o ñaaro bunda caabo be gambian golle bulu woto gambiyankol dron walla sisindino jang andu min nen lafta wala 2021 ila dala kuto karam ye pare combat ni lade kafa mbambande 2021 ni dunda combat kon nge boy roke inshallah ngafa tele bambande mbe gambiyankol dani lawon be politicien o dani lawon nde politiko bu kan ni mo kelen andu politiko mi alon ko fitnoro na fata politiko mi alon ko wital la mol banin na fata politiko mi ida radio be dembo santan na fata o e bida president on na fata aman na fa o na fa so doy ida men fon kan en roñin ka man na fa so doy e kam men ne man na fa so doy e banko nya man na fa so dala ndebe no UDP bari mo jawale do ni EPS kon ter ñolum muy andu kana yalla fana ni ka ñona fa hani la cabinet ministre ni dol be business dol be ni o temal woni politiko mangi glindi oto na re ka fa kariol karata mal kariol na de kan mo me alon ko gambianko ndilo gambianko be la president e mo UDP ba e mo APRC ba e mo GDC ma be la president mo na ne problème so de kada police station ben tele ko mo na ke kada ji so mo be mo ndila dimbayal ti banko be ison tammo e man so mo be mo ndila dimbayal abe anu femve alon ko lafta na lan kan femve alon lafta pour na diam femve alon ko pour lafta ñoo ma ko la ñu banko la taman do femve lafta wala ni na do ni mbewel comme la bari man la fi momo me alon ko e bi la façon ko pour kan nañu do ko ñu pour ka tiña hani de lafta woto isalon ka fo ko ndenga mo bele kanya ni banko ko men be kala sama jomale yalo ani mo kilimalo andunde lafta ñin nako ngambandi president yala president kuto men binala ndefo ngata nga kitabo ta nga Hanover ma aykel lafta wona kini banko bi wonina ngaaje la kata murtada kata je akata na jire wolto president men gagneta ani president men bina sil president men na time o banda e signo dala ni ala speed di ani compliment ni fona ya speed di ani don compliment mo ni nyaata woti fe man ji nyaawoti mo don lafta gambian kol ye wakili bulo wasilole noma ne kuje mi yaron ko a beteata e nyanta bulala ko no male pour asko si keno la banko kan lafta banko dol be nyame gambe ko nyame fen ne yalon ko be nyim banko kan lafta be ngam bulo pour ngam banko do e ma do kunteede ya do ku gambia le andum gambia mota do ku nola na manken telle andum bi altel gambian ko le o responsibility dinna ka fa ngake o nyaato amange ka fa ndele hakilo wartal beti amange ka fa ka ndele karantal beti amange ka fa ko ndele wakiltal beti bari mole lanna yale soto ala la duño kan mol nata o responsibility bimbe o responsibility oto fen mbabe te jambi mbabe control mbabe tentura mba jayil gambia bele benta gambia la be fanan be ñi la moy oto fen mi am gambia ko be le president baro support ba e ma support ba bari gambia mu itali gambia mu mbele tati oto nga lo nga kubetol ke pour gambia ita ñaata mbabe tentula mbabe jayila mba fala assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullah
President Adama Barrow boss driver Adama Barrow Konaba Adama Barrow, the husband of the thief, Skinny Batch Blecheng thief, first wife. Boss driver Barrow, it's not just mol minu yalonko wolle fata from a lack of healthcare system. Wolla hakolbe mutala no. It's not just the ningol. Minu yalang iman school betimal soto. Iman good education soto. Ila future be trouble la. Wol drona hakole be mutala no. Nti fangona hakobe mutala fana. Because then the man happen kadomuro ke bake. Adum laftana balota la sai. Borinta tala nola. B. Nyanta domoro ke la 2 o'clock. What time it is now? 1. Ngana domoro dadare. When I was gone just now, I went to make food at our barrow. Boss driver. Ajube. Because last night kabrini nyinke odi hamuta about mol min fata. Hani sign man ke non faye. Adama Barrow. listening to you talking kafon tole ko kodo be bulle I ma long ibe banko da dala nyamin wara I mantara kada da bari kodo be bul ayen kon kondi kamuta mando moroke sanjita say ana borom bena nyin domola na kekumba anin na jump habri porridge ma mix ani ka ngadum porridge ni kekumba ina maye afele because of it bari alonko ikaminke molie is worse than mixing puri and kekumba because they are threat